Getting video views. First of all, go to www.facebook.com/ads/manager/creation. In the consideration list, click on Get Video Views. With this objective, you'll promote videos like showing behind-the-scenes footage, product launches, or customer stories to raise awareness about your brand. Give your campaign a name and click on Continue. In the ad set, define your audience, budget, and schedule. If you have a saved audience previously created, you may use it. If not, create a new audience. In placements, you choose where your ad will be shown and click on Edit Placement. In platforms, select Instagram. In advanced options, you can specify mobile devices and operating systems. In budget and schedule, define how much you'd like to spend and when you'd like your ads to appear. In budget, select if you want to use a daily budget or a lifetime budget and the amount. In schedule, select if you want to run your ad set continuously starting today or set a start and end date. Click on Show Advanced Options and customize the optimization for ad delivery. That can be video views or daily unique reach. Then edit your bid amount, when you get charged, ad scheduling, and delivery type. On the right, you can see the audience definition and estimated daily reach. Once you finish, give your ad set a name and click on Continue. Now create your ad. Here you can select media, text, or links to create one or multiple ads. For format, you have 4 options: carousel, single video, slideshow, and canvas. Read the description of each one and choose the option you prefer. I'll choose single video. Upload your video with the recommended video specs by clicking on Upload Video. You can connect with your Facebook page, add your website URL, add a headline, add text, and add a call to action. On your right, you'll see the ad preview. Finally, click on Place Order.